You might have said, I don't need rig control features. Plus, they're too expensive. But here's the problem. Bit whirl, bit bounce, and stick slip are major sources of drilling vibrations which decrease your drilling efficiency and productivity.
PDC bits are designed with a target ROP and revolutions per minute that can be translated into depth of cut. Let's say if the depth of cut is too low, the bit will not effectively engage the formation and increase the chance of bit whirl. Now you have a problem. Or if you have the improper weight on bit or encounter a formation anomaly, you can induce bit bounce or even stick slip, leading to bit and BHA damage. Now your problem is even worse. But let's back up. Say you could effectively manage lateral drill string vibrations by managing the transition to and from bottom to minimize the time of low depth of cut. What if you could make every connection identical? Translation, you would have less bit and BHA damage, less drilling dysfunction, and greater consistency. So, you could drill faster. You could have longer runs. You would have fewer unplanned trips. You could make every connection on every rig identical just by using set points. And that's the goal, right? But now you're asking how? How can we reduce your bit damage, your number of unplanned trips, and make your drilling more consistent? Enter FlexFusion from Helmerich & Payne. FlexFusion is the sequenced automation of our advanced technologies with our industry-leading Flex rig to deliver consistent execution and performance. It is the most comprehensive solution on the market today for automatically drilling a stand, meaning factory drilling is finally possible. The secret sauce to FlexFusion is in the automated sequences within individual processes and our different performance technologies in order to automatically drill a stand while minimizing destructive drilling vibrations. Did we mention it's customizable too? You can run FlexFusion with its own system defaults, or you can customize any of the parameters to meet your drilling needs. You can program and customize how the bit engages and disengages with the formation. You can use a combination of all or any of these processes when drilling a stand. Most importantly, you can achieve greater consistency with factory drilling. Customization is integral to the optimization process for FlexFusion. Once a safe and consistent baseline has been established, process optimization can begin. Imagine executing the same process across a shift, a well, and even your entire fleet. FlexFusion creates the opportunity to drill more challenging wells, but more efficiently and with less errors and fewer trips. If FlexFusion can reduce cycle times so you can drill more wells, what's the cost of not using it? Contact your H&P sales rep to see a more customized illustration or visit our website to learn more.